Can't Stop Good Boy, and this is Hot Rod's event, Sound of the Streets. There's 4 different artists. It's me, Annie Priest, Gregory Siff, and this one's Mark. The show was moved from Warner Brother Records, and we basically all came together. We're all good friends, and we're like, hey, let's do a show. And then we brought it to Warner Brother Records. It was a VIP show. Brought that show to Hot Rod, and now it's open to the public.
My name is Annie Priest. I'm an artist, and I'm showing here at the Sound of the Streets art show HR.
I'm Gregory Siff. We're at Sounds of the Street.
I'm Spencer, known as Mark, and we're here at Hot Rod for our art show, Sound of the Streets, and hope you enjoy it.
So you can follow my stuff at www.can'tstopgoodboy.com, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all that at Can't Stop Good Boy, hashtag Can't Stop Good Boy, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching Viral Punk TV.